What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have 4K security cameras, 2 of them, and we are going to install it. Check it out. These things have night vision, automatic tracking, all of that good stuff. And here we go. You get Ethernet cord, you get USB to USB Type-Cs. All right, you have a power adapter right here. This should be your wireless hub, okay? You get mounts, screws and anchors, more screws and anchors, 2 solar panels, and you get the cameras. All right, I don't know what this is. It seems like a little cap or cover or something. I'll figure that out in a little bit. But here we go, you guys. So we have the camera here. This camera does 90 degrees when it comes to vertical and 360 degrees horizontal. All right, so the thing turns all the way around, and as far as up and down, again, 90 degrees. Here you have your USB. This is where you put your USB port. Open that. There you go. And it's fairly simple when you mount these things. It's not that hard. You have the mount right here. What you do is you put your mount on the wall, and then you slide this in, and that's how you mount it when you want to mount it on the wall. As far as the solar panel goes, so you can put this right on top of your camera. All right, and then of course you have to screw it on right here. They have a little screw hole, and then you can mount up your camera like that. Or if you want to mount your solar panel where it gets sun most of the time, then you can just take this off, plug this into your camera, and then mount this somewhere where you get a lot of sun. That way, you know, your camera will stay charged up. This has no monthly fees. And of course, I will be plugging this up on the inside of the house. And yeah, we got our Ethernet cord. They gave us a SD card, and it seemed like 30 something gigabytes. I can't even see that, but they gave us an SD card. Hook up your Ethernet and all of that good stuff. So I will figure that out once I do some more reading. Let me go ahead, start hooking this stuff up. Okay, you guys, I'm going to put the camera up. I already did the syncing. Once again, you can put the solar panel on top, or you can wire it. See how I got the wire separate? You can wire it and wire it to where it'll get more sun. Now we're going to put the camera right on top. Hopefully I can do this with one hand and not drop this camera. Okay, there we go. All right, so we got the camera up top. I don't really need to close this, but it's not out in the rain or anything. Rain won't hit this at all. But if you leave this out in the rain, you may want to make sure this stuff is covered. All right. All right, now I'm not going to hook up this mount. I'm pretty sure y'all know how to hook it up. Pretty much just put your 3 screws in. I use exterior screws. I don't ever use the screws that come with it. Always use exterior screws. That's just me. You can do whatever you want to do and wire it however you want to wire it, okay? But with this, I'll just put it close to the outside, and then I can just leave the solar panel charging my camera. But I charged it overnight, so we can just do this review and check out the camera quality as well. We have the app right here, and it hears me. I turned the sound off and on. All right, now let's see if it rotates. Yep, it goes left and right. This is cool, you guys. All right, now I might have to block some of that stuff because when I post this stuff on like Amazon storefront, it never uploads. So let's check the speaker while using the app. Hello? Oh, speaker is loud. It turns when it needs to turn. That's so cool, you guys. All right, so this is going to take a little while for me to go do the walk around on the app. I'll do that on another video for you guys. I just wanted to show y'all the quality of the picture. And stay tuned for tonight. I might just wrap it up tonight while I go through the app and check out the night vision, see how the vision is during the night shift. All right, everyone. So I'm going to give y'all my final review as far as the product goes. I will do another review when it comes to the app. Since everything is, I don't want it to be all long and drawn out. Now, One of the coolest features on this thing that I have to say is so awesome. The human tracking is insane. It works. But when you know, go past the wall, it'll stop working. And then when you walk back, you have to walk back in the same place. So if your human tracking, if the camera is aimed all the way to the right, then the people all the way to the left won't get tracked. All right. So it still tracks this person over in this area. So you have to come into that range to track it back to that side. I don't know how many people are going to use that. Maybe if you have a larger field or something like that, you might use human tracking, but we did try the human tracking and it's pretty cool, you guys. That's one cool feature on this. Now, another thing, like I said, you don't have to do monthly payments. Okay, so with that, you know, with the other brand, or you know, the big boy, you have to pay like $4 a month or $5 a month per device in order to keep a certain amount of data. All right. As far as, you know, if you want to go back like maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks or something like that, then, you know, you have to pay. But on this, it seems like you can go back way further. The night vision is pretty good, you guys. I can't lie. The night vision is good. It's the same as the top dogs. I do have this one in my garage and the other one is in the front porch. And it looks good. All right. I did a recording as far as the night shift goes, so I could show y'all that. And that was the night shift during the front yard. And then I have another one where we recorded inside the garage, or I have a recording of me inside the garage. So that is pretty awesome. And yeah, it's pretty cool, you guys. So if you see this before the app overview, if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, just put it in the comment section. I will try to answer as good as I can. Okay. I will try to answer the best of my abilities. That will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.